Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something fantastic for all you eco-conscious individuals out there, the Indoor Bokashi Composting System. This is hands down the best compost bin for your kitchen, and I'm about to show you why. First things first, let's talk about why composting is so important. It reduces waste, enriches your garden soil, and helps the environment. But what sets the Indoor Bokashi Composting System apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you, this system makes composting easier than ever before. It's designed for use right in your kitchen, garage, or apartment. No more excuses not to compost. So, how does it work? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Add your food scraps. You can throw in everything from fruit and vegetable peels to coffee grounds and eggshells. Step 2. Sprinkle some kashi blend every few inches of food waste. This magical mix of microbes will kickstart the composting process. Step 3. Once the bucket is full, seal it up and let it sit unopened for 7 to 10 days. This is where the real magic happens as the microbes rapidly ferment the food waste. Now, what makes this system stand out is that it's nearly odorless. The airtight lid combined with the power of kashi blend eliminates those unpleasant odors commonly associated with indoor composting. When the fermentation period is over, you can bury the contents outside, and within just 2 to 4 weeks, you'll have nutrient-rich compost ready to use in your garden or houseplants. And here's another great feature. This system is designed for year-round use. With a 2-bucket system, you can have one bucket sitting and fermenting while you fill up the other. It's efficient and convenient. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just looking for an eco-friendly way to reduce waste, this Indoor Bokashi composting system by Growing Organic is made for everyone. It rewards you with piles of rich organic matter to use in your yard, garden, or houseplants. Now, let's talk about the product itself. It's made from durable plastic, comes in an attractive black and green color, and has a generous capacity of 5 gallons. Plus, it has a convenient spout for draining excess liquid, making it super easy to use. The system comes in various options, including just the bucket, or with different amounts of kashi blend to get you started. Prices range from $59.95 to $109.95, depending on your choice. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the product details. It's from a small business brand, so supporting them is a plus. And it's not just for composting. You can also explore other products from the Growing Organic store. If you're interested in composting alternatives or complementary products, there are some great options available. Take a look at these related items for more choices. And there you have it, folks. The Indoor Bokashi Composting System, your practical, efficient, and nearly odorless solution to kitchen composting. If you want to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich compost year-round, this is the best compost bin for your kitchen. Check out the links in the description to get yours. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest and greatest products on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.